Left at 5:30, and then tonight we're having a shakshuka for dinner. Good morning. And this is how 5 a.m. looks in Frankfurt. Gonna head to the airport soon. Made it to my room. So I finally made it. I woke up at 4:30 a.m. this morning. Left at 5:30, and then was at the airport at 6 to catch my flight at 7. So by the time I got here, the hotel was fully booked, so they were really so nice to clean it really fast and give me the room. So yeah, now it's 8:42 now. Sorry about that. I just have the water cooking. But I have to say, traveling this early in the morning is like everything is so empty, and it's actually really fast. Like security was really fast. The airport was completely empty. My tea is done. Okay, this is really hot. I need to cool down. Just staying here for one night. All right, I'm gonna drink my tea, chill a bit. I'll see you later. Bye. I just came back for a quick change of clothes. It's getting a bit colder in Basel, so I've just changed into a jumper, just getting warm and cozy, and changed into a smaller bag. Going out to dinner now with my colleagues and client. I'll keep you posted. Bye. So pretty. Morning. So yesterday we walked from the hotel to the restaurant. We went to this restaurant called Fiorentina, an Italian restaurant by the river. I still have a creaky voice from waking up this morning. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go get breakfast now. Alright, just had breakfast, and now I'm gonna head to the airport. Bye. The airport is so empty today. Like security, just walking through security now is like such a breeze. Back home now, I'm gonna continue working. I've got a couple of calls today. I'm gonna do some grocery shopping, and that's it. tonight we're having a shakshuka for dinner.
Don't worry, I still have plenty of hot dog for shakshuka. Wow, baby, it looks so good.
Look at this. Inside.
Wow, perfect.
Baby, what you doing? Are you falling asleep?